Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about the FAANG stocks. We're going to take a weekly look at Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Alphabet's Google. Starting off with Facebook. Facebook for the week was down 1.89%, closing the week out at $269.70. Hopping over to the technical chart. We see a good resistance level at $304 for Facebook and a solid support level at $256 and a secondary support level at $245. If you're looking to get into Facebook, that would be a great entry point into this stock. You can see a lot of consolidation this week, forming a bit of a triangle pattern here. A lot of the stocks in this category are consolidating this week. Next up, we've got Amazon. Amazon closed the week up 0.37% with an average price of $3,099.40. And on the technical chart here, we've got a very good resistance point at $3,495. Solid support again at $2,944. Amazon also has a bit of a psychological support level right around $3,000. Anytime we get there, we typically pop back up a little bit. You can see Amazon is also getting into this consolidation triangle period as well. Next up is Apple. Apple closed the week down 1.34% at an average cost of $117.34. Hopping over to the technicals here. Apple has got a resistance level at $125 and a support level at $104. Again, consolidation this week forming this triangle. Next up is Netflix. Netflix closed the week up 1.65% at an average cost of $488.24. Hopping over to the technical chart, Netflix has got a resistance level at $557 and a support level at $465. Notice we touched that support level this week and we bounced right back off of it. Now, we're also consolidating here this week, and it's forming this triangle wedge pattern as well. Last up, we've got Alphabet's Google, which closed up down this week at 1.67% at an average cost of $1,742.19, reaching its all-time high earlier this week. On the technical chart, we've got a good, we call it resistance level that has turned into a support level for Google right here at $1,740. Now, this used to be a very strong resistance level for Google, but as we know, a lot of times old resistance levels become new support levels. Now, we'll have to keep an eye on this, but so far, this old resistance level is now acting like a good support level for Alphabet's Google. But before then, the support level was about $1,626. So we'll keep an eye on this to see if this new support level will hold and continue. And you can also see, since Google popped up to its all-time high this past week, there is a bit of consolidation now at the top. So we'll keep our eye on this. Thank you for watching Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and I will see you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content coming your way.